Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Growify. If you've ever run ads on Facebook, Google, or TikTok, you already know the feeling. Now imagine a tool that doesn't just show you data, but actually explains what's working, what's wasting your budget, and what you should scale immediately. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about Growify, what it is, how it works, the pricing, the pros and cons, and its main features. And finally, whether it really lives up to the claim of being the tool that makes Facebook ads dashboard look outdated. Let's get started. Growify is an AI-powered marketing analytics and attribution platform that is built mainly for e-commerce brands, marketers, and agencies who are running ads across multiple platforms like Facebook, Google, and other ad networks. Instead of logging into 5 different dashboards, Growify tries to bring everything into one place. Your ads, your revenue, your customer journey, and most importantly, your return on ad spend or ROAs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most ad platforms like Facebook or Google only show you partial data. For example, Facebook tells you what happens inside Facebook. Google tells you what happens inside Google. But neither gives you the full picture of how a customer actually moves before buying. So Growify tries to solve that using something called the multi-touch attribution. In simple terms, it tracks the full customer journey from the first ad click all the way to the final purchase so that you can understand exactly which ads actually influenced the sale. Now, what are the main features of Growify? First is the unified dashboard. This is your main control panel where all marketing data comes together, from ads to revenue, conversions, and performance metrics in one view. Next is the ad attribution tracking. This is one of the core features. It tracks which ads and which channels are actually responsible for conversions, so it doesn't just monitor the last click. Then there are AI insights and recommendations. Growify doesn't just show you numbers, it gives suggestions like which ads to scale, which creatives are underperforming, and where your budget is leaking. Then there's the creative performance analysis. You can compare different ad creatives from images, videos, and copy and see which one performs best across all the platforms. Next is the customer journey mapping. This shows how users interact with your brand before buying, and this helps you understand the full funnel. Then there's the budget optimization tool. The budget tool helps you see which channels are giving the best ROI so that you can shift budget intelligently instead of guessing. And lastly, there are the integrations. Yes, Growify connects with multiple marketing tools and ad platforms so that your data is automatically synced. So overall, it's not just an analytics tool, it's more like a marketing intelligence system. Now, what is the pricing of Growify like? There are 3 basic tiers. There's the tier 1, which is a quick start for beginners at $69 per month. There's the tier 2, which is the most popular, which is ideal for small businesses at $179 per month. And there's a tier 3 designed for growing businesses at $319 per month. There's a tier 4, which is more advanced, of course, perfect for established businesses at $599 per month. A tier 5, which is best for organizations or agencies at $999 per month. And a tier 6, which is tailored for large organizations or agencies at $1,499 per month. Yes, the pricing options are flexible, so you choose the pricing plan that aligns with your business, with your goals, and as well as with your budget. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Growify? First, the pros. Very powerful all-in-one analytics dashboard. There's a strong focus on attribution tracking, and it helps you understand real ROI, not vanity metrics. The AI-driven insights reduces guesswork and is great for scaling ad campaigns. How about the cons? It's expensive definitely for small businesses, and it requires existing ad spend to truly benefit, so that's a double cost. The learning curve can be steep for beginners, and some features may feel overwhelming if you're not running complex campaigns. So is Growify really the tool that makes Facebook ads dashboard look outdated? Well, here's the honest truth. Facebook Ads Manager is still essential. You can't replace it completely. But what Growify does is something different. It doesn't compete with Facebook, it enhances it. But here's the catch. If you don't already have meaningful ad spend or data flowing through your business, Growify won't magically fix your marketing. So it's a tool that amplifies what you are already doing. It's not a shortcut to success. And that's it on the review of Growify. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Triple Whale, Hyros, and Northbeam. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.